What is going on? Today is Wednesday, October 1st. Crazy, we are already into October. My name's Taylor. This is the 907 Fantasy Sports channel. And tomorrow we got a good game between the San Francisco 49ers and the Los Angeles Rams. Over under 45.5 there. Rams are favored by 7.5 point favorites. Brock Purdy did just get ruled out because of the toe injury. So Mac Jones is going to be starting for the 49ers at quarterback versus Matthew Stafford in the Rams. So we're going to be looking at some props over there for the game tomorrow. Want to get this out early for you so you have time to lock in those lines before they move before game time. Get some nice closing value there for us. But let's go over a recap of what we did on Monday Night Football and then yesterday as well. We had a massive day Monday. Monday was a nice day. We had a killer day there. So all I ask for you guys is to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Monday we did great with views and likes on the video, so can't complain there. But Monday Night Football recap. Monday was the losing day. I couldn't remember if it was Sunday or Monday, but we had a losing day. The Bengals, that game was trash. So, Jake Browning, he's an absolute joke. The offensive line there, I guess it's not all on Jake Browning, but the offensive line and just Jake Browning in general are horrendous. They are so bad. If they don't make a change, they are going to lose every game the rest of the season. I'm positive in that. They are just that bad. So, we have a couple wins here. We hit this one on VIP. Garrett Wilson and Devon Achane, Dobbins and Chase. And then we missed this one with Chase, Garrett Wilson, Dobbins, and Jake Browning. So Jake Browning kind of just killed us there on those slips. This was the free play from Monday. We missed that one because of Jake Browning. If you can only throw for 125 yards in 4 quarters as a NFL quarterback, you should not be an NFL quarterback. That is just horrible. So we had a losing day Monday. That was the recap there. Yesterday I said that we would bounce back. On Tuesday we went 2 for 2 on VIP and then 1 for 2 on the free plays. If you guys are new, go over on the Winible here and get at least on the free pass. I send out multiple free plays. I sent out 3 free plays yesterday for Taco Tuesday. If this is going to load here. Here we go. So I sent out 3 free plays yesterday for Taco Tuesday over there. 1 hit, 1 miss. Hunter Green got pulled after 3 innings against the Dodgers yesterday. So that really sucked. If he would have went 1 more inning, we would have cashed that. But we had Garrett and I think it's Chelsea Gray there. That one hit on VIP. And then Mitchell and Crochet there. Those were the 2 hits on VIP yesterday. We did send out multiple others for Thursday Night Football and even into Sunday for NFL football. And then this was one of them that I sent out on the free play yesterday. And then this is the one that we missed on the free play yesterday. So 1 more strikeout. He was the discounted line as well. So just a real bummer there. But those are the Tuesday recap. So we hit 2 out of 2 on VIP, 1 out of 2 on the free plays. But what I did for this weekend is I'm doing the weekend pass. It's $20, incredibly affordable. You'll cash this and make a ton of money off this. So it's yesterday's picks all the way until Sunday's picks. That's going to get you all of VIP's plays. So make sure to go and get that locked in. It's $20 or on VIP Gold level, college football season pass, and the week pass. Those are still all 80% off with the code Taylor right now. So you can go ahead and get that locked in right here. So $20 pass. If you use the code Taylor on any of the other passes, it's 80% off. But if you guys are needing Chalkboard or Sleeper, they're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money, no deposit necessary. Just use the code 907 Fantasy. And they're going to hook you up with $20 on Sleeper and on Chalkboard. So let's hop into Prizepicks and see what we're going to be doing for today. Let's go over here to NFL. And we got Mac Jones. I'm liking him here. He's been a solid backup quarterback The last 2 weeks he played, he went for 279 and 284. So his line's at 222 here. That's an easy win, but we'll go over 200 passing yards up against the Rams here. And then I'm liking Matthew Stafford here as well at 200. He missed that once in his last 5. It was against Philadelphia. They're just a tough team. He's going for 287 over his last 5, so 200 yards here. Give me that for an easy win. And then we're going to go over here, and we're going to take Puka Nacua. He's an absolute monster. We're going to take him over 70. That should be an easy, no sweat, absolute cash. He cashed that in the first half of last week's game against Indiana. He went for 170 yards. So give me just 70 yards here. He's going for 120 over his last 5. Loving that line there. And then I'm not necessarily loving any of the props here for San Francisco. They're pretty banged up, both on offense and defense. Brock Purdy's out. Kittle's out. Nick Bosa's out. They just have a lot of injuries going on. We could even see here. Let's take a look here and see what it says here for us. So, where is it at? I think we need to go back here. Anyway, they got a lot of players missing, so not necessarily loving any of those, but I do like rushing plus receiving yards. They don't have. I like Christian McCaffrey in that spot. But we can take a look at Kyron Williams here. I like that line. 60. He's been getting that just in rushing alone, especially without Nick Bosa there. They'll have a little bit better time. But I'm liking that play. So this is the official free play for Thursday Night Football between the San Francisco 49ers and the Los Angeles Rams. We're taking Mac Jones over 200 passing yards, Stafford over 200 passing yards, Puka Nacua over 70 receiving yards, and then Kyron Williams over 60 rushing plus receiving yards. So we're going to put 5 into 11 there, submit that, and that is the official free play. Like I said, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll give you one last look here at the line. So that is the free play. Make sure to go over here on Winible, subscribe to the free plan. It's 907 Fantasy Sports, or winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. VIP Gold Level, Football Season Pass, Week Pass are all 80% off right now, and then the Weekend Pass, you can grab that for $20. So make sure to go get locked in on all those. Get these locked in before the lines move. Good luck with all of your plays tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow with a potential another free play for the football game between the Rams and the 49ers. But good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.